What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Bert Collins and I am back with another video, back with another banger, back with another unboxing. Please hit that like button, man. And if you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, man. We on the road to 4K. No, we on the road to 1K. So I need your guys' help, man. Hit that subscribe button. Also, please hit that notification bell so you can stay tapped in with the channel. Got some stuff to unbox. We got a couple boxes. Got a couple pairs of shoes. First off, let's start with this, man. Street Market Supply, man. I got my Kanye Street Market Supply tee on. This came in the mail yesterday, so you know, had to put it on. Had to put it on. You know what I'm saying? Put on. Anyway, Street Market Supply tee on deck. Next up, what else did we get, man? I'm gonna try to make this video as fast as possible too. Supreme Malcom X hoodie on deck. Yes, sir. When I seen it, I didn't even know this was dropping, bruh. I didn't even know this was dropping. I went on Supreme to get something else. But when I seen that Malcom X on the back of the hoodie, you guys know, man. You guys already know the vibes. And then I got another pickup. It's over here. And it is another Supreme shirt. It's the Malcom X t-shirt, the white one, size medium, on deck. You know what I'm saying? Bro, I'll be honest with you, I spent way more Supreme than I intended to, but these are them one-offs, man. I doubt you ever see another one like this. So I had to do it, man. I had to pull the trigger. All right, next. Hold on, let me get this fold right. You got to get that fold right. You know what I'm saying? Next up, though, we got some. Here we go. Next up, we got some Air Jordan 1 Element. You guys should know what that is, man. So I live in Washington, Pacific Northwest. Rains a lot. So when Jordan Brand decided to drop a Gore-Tex shoe, I was like, I at least gotta see what this shoe look like. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it, but I at least gotta see what this shoe looks like. I mean, straight from Nike. You guys know the vibes, man. Quality controls, stickers, and all that type of shit. Each shoe came individually wrapped. So let's go ahead, peel the paper. Bow. Jordan 1 High Element. Colorway is light curry. Another curry shoe for the collection, man. I'm gonna have to get rid of some of these curry shoes. I got like 2 pairs of curry shoes, 3 pairs of yellow Jordan 1s. So, you know, might have to get rid of one of these pairs. Now, let's look at the shoe. We go around the shoe. Nike sign is in 3M. This right here is your Gore-Tex waterproof. This is very soft leather. Extremely, almost suede. Matter of fact, I would say this is like a very, 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 very short-haired suede. You can see, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but in hand, you can see the swishes of when you move your hand. I think you can see that. Let me see. Anyway, it's very short-haired leather, very soft. I like the materials coming around the side with the light curry. I ain't gonna lie, this on the toe box, hella weird. And I get it, you're doing like the perforated holes. Personally, they could have just left that shit flat for me. They could have just left it flat and it would have looked fine. It looks kind of weird. But overall, let me tell you the truth. I don't mind this shoe. It's not as ugly. Like, when I first bought the shoe, I was like, oh, I buy it, I'm going to do a review, and I'm probably going to return it. Which still might be the case. But as I look at the shoe, I'm like, man, it's not as bad as I thought. Here's the tongue. The tongue's in Gore-Tex too, by the way. The black part is Gore-Tex. And then we'll show you the actual tag. What it says on the tag is... what the hell does that say? Nike and the swoosh name and the stripe are trademark and your guarantee of quality. Oh wow, I've never seen Nike do some stuff like that. Talking about the quality of the shoe and trademark. I can look at another pair of Jordan 1s and even see real quick. Let's grab these. Does it say that? It does. Okay. All right. So super weird. So it does say that on what I just read. It says it on the back of the tongue, but it seems like they have the tongue coming forward farther on the Gore-Tex. So down to this line on this Gore-Tex is what they're doing with the tag. So it makes the tag look way different versus having the tag just be like that. So that's what you're seeing when you look at the tag. I don't know if this came like that on everybody's shoe. This came straight from the factory, so I don't know if that's a defect or something I might have to check out. But great shoe nevertheless. Let's look at the other one. And then I got another. So I don't want this video to be too long. I'm gonna cut it after this, and then I'm gonna drop another video with the other pair of shoes that I picked up. I was gonna try to fit them all into this video, but I'm not trying to waste your guys' time. God, that smells so good. This Gore-Tex, man. No quality control issues from what I see. Here's the bottom of the shoe. A lot of people don't like the bottom of the shoe. For me, it doesn't bug me or bother me at all. A lot of people just wish it was a solid sole, either black or yellow or curry. But for me, I have so many pairs of Jordan 1s that I kind of like when they do something different. You know what I mean? I kind of like when everything's not the same. So, with that being said, man, this is the Jordan 1 Light Curry Gore-Tex. It says Gore-Tex right there. Gore-Tex waterproof. Nice shoe, man. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it or not. I'm at a point where I got to start making decisions on what shoes that I still have that are dead stock, if I'm going to even wear them or not. You know what I mean? I'm starting to pick up way too many shoes. So I got to start figuring out, like, some of these shoes are going to have to walk the plank. But with that being said, man, that's the end of the video, man. I appreciate you guys for tapping in with me. Hopefully, I don't have to edit too much on this video. I kind of wanted it to be a one-take, Jake. I wanted to be quick, and I don't want to waste your time. But please make sure you subscribe to the channel, man. There's nothing more important to me than having you guys subscribe to the channel. I mean, in terms of this channel, there's nothing more important that you could do for me. Comment below. You like my pickups? How you guys feel about the Supreme? How you feel about these Gore-Texes? You got Gore-Tex in your collection? How do you feel about it? I'm not disappointed. I thought I was gonna be disappointed. I'm really not disappointed. Great shoe. It's your boy Burt Collins, y'all. Hopefully I didn't talk too fast, man. I've already tapped in, you guys. Now I'm tapping out. Peace.